Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kriti Sanom has consistently impressed with her impeccable fashion sense, especially when it comes to sari choices that blend tradition with contemporary flair. Whether she's gracing a red carpet event or attending a cultural function, her sari looks are a testament to her versatile style. She often opts for saris that highlight intricate embroidery, luxurious fabrics, and vibrant colors, making each appearance a fashion statement. From pastel-hued organza saris with delicate floral motifs to bold and vibrant silk saris with heavy zari work, she knows how to pick saris that enhance her graceful silhouette while adding a touch of modernity. She pairs these saris with well-chosen blouses, often experimenting with off-shoulder designs, deep necklines, and stylish sleeves that add a contemporary twist to her traditional outfits. Accessories play a crucial role in completing her look, with the actress often choosing statement jewelry, such as chunky chokers, intricate earrings, or bold bangles, that complement the overall ensemble. Her hair and makeup further elevate her sari looks, with sleek updos, soft curls, or side-swept hairstyles adding elegance and sophistication. Whether she's draped in a classic Banarasi sari or a modern Georgette one, her sari fashion choices reflect her innate sense of style, making her a fashion icon for many. Her sari fashion choices continue to captivate with their diversity and elegance, showcasing her ability to seamlessly transition between different styles while maintaining her signature charm. She has a knack for selecting saris that not only flatter her figure but also tell a story through their intricate designs and textures. For instance, Kriti has been spotted in regal silk saris adorned with traditional motifs, often in rich jewel tones like emerald green, deep maroon, and royal blue. These saris are usually paired with contrasting blouses that feature intricate embroidery or sequins, adding a layer of opulence to her look. In contrast, she also knows how to rock more minimalist, contemporary saris. She has been seen in sleek, monochrome saris that emphasize clean lines and subtle elegance, perfect for modern events or more casual occasions. These saris are often paired with chic, cropped blouses or even blouses with unique cuts, such as halter necks or backless designs, which add a fashionable edge to her traditional attire. Her attention to detail extends to her choice of draping styles as well. She experiments with various draping techniques, from the classic navy drape that highlights the sari's pallu to more experimental styles that create an avant-garde silhouette. This versatility in draping allows her to adapt her sari looks to different occasions, whether it's a formal event or a relaxed, festive gathering. Her accessory game is always on point, with Kriti often opting for traditional jewelry like jhumkas, chokers, and maan tikas when she's embracing a more ethnic vibe. On the other hand, she might choose sleek, modern jewelry like geometric earrings or minimalistic necklaces to complement her contemporary sari looks. Her footwear choices, too, reflect her careful curation, with everything from traditional jutis to stylish heels making an appearance, depending on the vibe she's going for. Makeup and hairstyle are the finishing touches that bring her sari ensembles to life. She often chooses makeup that enhances her natural beauty while complementing the color palette of her sari, whether it's a bold red lip with a classic sari or a soft, dewy look with a pastel one. Her hairstyles range from elegant updos to loose waves, each chosen to complement the neckline and overall aesthetic of her sari look. Her sari fashion choices are a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity, making her a style icon for women who love to experiment with their ethnic wear while staying true to their roots. Kriti Sanom's sari fashion choices reflect her deep understanding of fashion, where every look is thoughtfully curated to exude grace and style. She often gravitates towards saris that strike a balance between contemporary fashion and traditional elegance, making her a favorite among fashion enthusiasts. A key aspect of her sari selections is her ability to play with colors and patterns, effortlessly moving from bold and dramatic hues to soft and pastel tones. The actress has been seen in ethereal white and ivory saris, which she styles with intricate lace or delicate embroidery, creating a serene and almost angelic appearance. These light-colored saris, often paired with minimalistic makeup and simple accessories, highlight her natural beauty and offer a refreshing contrast to more vibrant saris. She also embraces bold colors like fuchsia, cobalt blue, and bright red, which she styles with dramatic makeup and statement jewelry to create a striking, high-impact look. Her love for experimental fashion is evident in her choice of fusion saris as well. She has been seen in saris that blend traditional draping with contemporary cuts and materials, such as sari gowns or pre-draped saris that offer a modern twist on the classic silhouette. These fusion pieces often feature elements like ruffles, capes, or asymmetrical hems, adding a touch of high fashion to her sari ensembles. Paired with sleek, modern accessories and bold makeup, these looks showcase her ability to push the boundaries of traditional fashion while still honoring its roots. Textiles and fabric choices also play a significant role in Kriti's sari looks. She often opts for luxurious fabrics like silk, chiffon, and organza, each bringing its own unique texture and drape to her outfits. For example, a silk sari might be adorned with rich zari work and paired with a heavy embroidered blouse, creating a look that's perfect for weddings or festive occasions. In contrast, a lightweight chiffon sari, with its fluid drape and subtle shimmer, might be styled for a more casual event, with simple jewelry and a loose, effortless hairstyle. Her ability to accessorize is another reason her sari looks are so iconic. She understands the power of accessories to elevate an outfit, whether it's with a statement clutch that adds a pop of color or a delicate mang tikka that enhances the traditional vibe of her sari. Her jewelry choices are always spot on, with pieces that complement the sari's design without overwhelming it. Whether she's wearing chunky silver jewelry with a boho-inspired sari or delicate gold pieces with a regal silk sari, her accessory game is always on point. Her hairstyles further enhance her sari looks, with each style carefully chosen to complement the sari's overall vibe. She might opt for a sleek bun adorned with fresh flowers for a classic, traditional look, or loose, beachy waves for a more relaxed, contemporary style. These hairstyles not only add to her overall appearance but also show her versatility in embracing different styles. Her sari fashion choices are a masterclass in balancing tradition with modernity, making her a trendsetter in the world of ethnic fashion. Her sari fashion choices continue to be a source of inspiration, as she effortlessly blends classic and contemporary elements to create looks that are both timeless and trendsetting. One of the most striking aspects of her sari style is her willingness to experiment with different patterns and prints. The actress has been seen in everything from traditional paisley and floral motifs to more abstract and geometric designs, showcasing her ability to carry off a wide range of aesthetics with grace. For instance, Kriti often opts for saris with bold, oversized prints that make a statement without overwhelming her frame. These saris are usually balanced with simple, solid-colored blouses that allow the prints to take center stage. On the other hand, she also loves to play with intricate, all-over patterns that add depth and texture to her looks. These patterned saris are often styled with minimal accessories and understated makeup, allowing the intricate details of the fabric to shine. Another signature element of her sari fashion is her love for unique and innovative blouse designs. She has been known to pair her saris with blouses that feature unconventional cuts, like high necklines, cold shoulders, or even corset-style fits that accentuate her figure. These blouses often add a modern twist to her traditional saris, making her outfits stand out. Kriti's choice of saris also reflects her deep appreciation for handloom and artisanal craftsmanship. She has been seen supporting traditional weaves like Banarasi, Kanjivaram, and Chanderi, often selecting saris that showcase the rich heritage of Indian textiles. These saris, with their luxurious fabrics and detailed craftsmanship, are usually paired with classic jewelry like temple earrings, antique bangles, and traditional chokers, enhancing their cultural appeal. Her ability to bring these traditional saris into a contemporary context, while still honoring their origins, speaks to her understanding and respect for fashion as an art form. Color blocking is another technique that Kriti uses to make her sari outfits pop. She often selects saris in contrasting colors that create a visually striking effect. For example, she might pair a bright pink sari with a deep blue blouse or combine a vibrant orange sari with a green blouse. This bold use of color not only makes her outfits more dynamic but also adds an element of playfulness to her looks, reflecting her youthful and adventurous spirit. When it comes to draping styles, Kriti is not one to shy away from innovation. While she appreciates the elegance of the traditional drape, she also enjoys experimenting with more contemporary styles. She has been seen in saris draped in a way that mimics the silhouette of a gown, giving her a statuesque appearance. In other instances, she has opted for a belted sari look, where the sari is cinched at the waist with a stylish belt, adding a modern touch and accentuating her waistline. These creative draping techniques demonstrate her ability to adapt the sari to different occasions, whether it's a formal event, a fashion show, or a casual outing. Her hair and makeup choices further complement her sari looks, often reflecting the theme of her outfit. For more traditional saris, Kriti might choose a classic bun adorned with gajra, while for contemporary saris, she might go for sleek, straight hair or soft waves. Her makeup is always on point, with a keen eye for what works best with her ensemble, whether it's a bold red lip for a striking sari or a nude palette for a more subtle look. Her sari fashion choices are a perfect blend of tradition, innovation, and personal style. Each look is carefully curated to reflect not just the beauty of the sari, but also her unique fashion sensibility. She continues to push the boundaries of sari fashion, making her a true style icon who inspires countless women to embrace the sari with confidence and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.